Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and we are continuing the journey, my road to 1K in my Robinhood account. So let's take a quick look right here. You see the 127.81. So that was the amount before my recent trade. Now you can take a look at this chart and see that I did make profits today. So we went from 127 all the way up to 171.79, and I did want to stick with this trade a little bit longer, but the stock it went down about 5 or 6%, and that's good for me because I bought a put option, which meaning that's me assuming that the stock will go down, so that's good. But I want all of my trades to have between 5 to 8% as far as profit, as far as the stock is concerned. So I did meet that goal. It was around 5 or 6%, and I just wanted to get out while I was ahead. Like the way I say at the end of my videos, take the money and run. So it was a good day today. So placed that trade earlier this morning. I placed it around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, and I am happy with the turnout. So let's look at some details real quick. We will go through my notifications so you can see exactly when I placed it. And when I placed this option to sell, it sold like really quick. That's why I like to sell while the market is open and active. And I'm so glad that I learned that lesson. I learned it the hard way, but nonetheless, it's a lesson that I appreciate, that I learned from. So let's break this down real quick. So I bought the order to buy contract with plug. So I did that, 95 cents per share. So I got that in there, and it executed the next, it executed as soon as the market opened up. So I placed that in there. So I did buy one contract at the amount of $92. So I completed that. It really executed at 6:30 in the morning. So this came in a little bit late, but I was already in the trade about 6:30, 6:35 because I saw it on my my Robinhood app. So then we go down here, and then let's see, at 9:48 a.m. Look at that. Within the same day, I put in an order to sell, and it sold immediately, and made some pretty good profit. So I'm very happy with that. This happened within, what was it, 3 hours? Yeah, so 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, about 3 hours. Within 3 hours, this was a very good, successful trade. So very happy about that. I'm really hoping to get trades like this every time. It's been great so far. Really good streak that I have going on right now. As long as I stay disciplined, I'm expecting these results. So, but yeah, happy about that. So real quick, let's go into the chart. Okay, so you can see about my analysis here. So let's head over to Trading View. I have right here plug, trade exit, $43.98 profit. Again, this was within 3 hours. So now, if you look at my last video, we started right here, the bar right next to the left of this, and here it is. So I sold at this point, and everything lined up. Now, recently I've decided to share my strategy, just a brief explanation of my strategy in every video, real brief, not even like super detailed, but I just want you to know what I'm doing for these trades. So yesterday I started right here, right to the left of this arrow on that bar, the hekin candle. Okay, so it's a flat top. It has a flat top on the hekin candle going down, and it is underneath this moving average. Okay, and then it lined up down here on the stoch. So if I go over here, it lined up below this midpoint line going down. All right. So that let me know that it is a safe guess as far as assuming that the market will continue to go down with this stock. So everything lined up and they gave me confidence to execute. So that's what I did. And this happens in a bearish market, bullish market. Everything for me just has to line up. And if it doesn't line up, then I just don't take the trade. Everything has to be lined up correctly for me to feel like that I could get something out of the trade. So every video I'll give a brief explanation of my method behind my trades. So I'm very happy with the turnout, and I'm just amazed that this happened within 3 hours. I mean, I would have been impressed if it happened within the day, but 3 hours is great. Now you can see right here to the right of this green arrow, price did continue to drop. It did, but like I said, I like to be between 5 to 8%, and it did go low. But check this out though. This was one contract. Okay, so I had enough on my account to get one contract. Now let's go back to my Robinhood account. Okay, so one contract led me to get $43.98 profit. Now what if I had enough in my account to get two contracts? Well, that's multiplied by 2. Okay, well, 3 contracts multiplied by 3, and so forth and so on. So my goal is to get my account. Well, my first goal is to get this account, the first milestone, which is $1,000. Okay, but I will be able to get there quicker as my account continues to multiply. So eventually, when this gets up to around 200 to 250, eventually I'll be able to purchase 2 contracts. You know, when I get 300, 350, maybe 3 contracts. And that's very exciting to think about. And once I get up to 4 contracts, being able to get that within one order, then I will be able to, let me go back to Trading View real quick. I will be able to go to more expensive stocks. See, right now, this is my price range for the stocks that I use as far as my purchasing. So once my account gets bigger, then I'll be able to find stocks that are more expensive, like maybe $17, $20, maybe $25 per share, and I will be able to expand my account that way. So I just want you to take a look at what I'm doing, well, to catch the vision, if you will, to see the potential of what could happen, and that gets me excited. So, but anyways, I just wanted to give you a very quick overview of the trade. The trade only lasted 3 hours, and I was able to get $43.98. Again, just using this strategy has really helped me out. The last 2 to 3 trades, it's helped out, and it's really been successful the last few option trades. So I will continue to do that. Now, it's not a guarantee. We don't know exactly what the market's going to do. None of us do. None of us have a crystal ball. All we can do is find a good strategy that works for us or works for you. What works for me might not work for you, but I'm just letting you know what I do. And for me, I like to keep it as simple as possible. So I'm going to stick to this and just expand upon it and then see what happens. Okay, but anyways, my name is Jerome. I'm with the Bailey Financial Group, and since this trade it only lasted 3 hours, I'm going to check the stock market. I'm going to check through my watch list and see if there's any more opportunities. And if I do see an opportunity, then hey, I'll place a trade, and I'll make sure to record a video if I do find something, and I will let you know. I will let you in on it so that you can be there with me as I place the trade. Okay, but anyways, again, this is Jerome, Bailey Financial Group. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. I appreciate that. Thank you for watching my videos. That means a lot to me. Thank you for liking and sharing. If you have any comments at all, any questions, make sure you leave that below, and I will get to those as soon as I can. And in the meantime, make sure to remember to stay blessed, take the money, and run.